What's going on, guys? Ben here with Airsoftjunkiez, showing you a customer build right here. So this right here is a VFC M110 licensed by HK. Inside we went ahead and did a PolarStar fusion engine, and then for the barrel setup we have a 509 Prometheus 603 barrel that is flat hopped. Right now we are running about 85 psi with a 0.48 HPA BB. Let's see how this gun's shooting. We're at about 85 yards right now. All right, if you're interested in something like this, make sure to visit our website at airsoftjunkiez.com.